Today I'm taking the AKM 16-piece magnetic nut driver set. So you can see we got both metric as well as SAE. I also appreciate that they're color coded, so the yellows are the metric, the oranges are the SAE. We got 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So the only skip there in the metric is the 9, which is a size that is not really used very commonly anyway. For the SAE, we got quarter, 9/32, 5/16, 11/32, 3/8, 7/16, ½ inch, and 9/16. So no skips there on the SAE. That is excellent. So the important thing here is that these all have magnets in them. So if you're trying to reach into an area where you can't really get access with your fingers, and if you have to really get in there, you can even throw an extension on the back of that. So these things are very handy to have. Much nicer than trying to like take bubble gum and stick that into a socket. You can see these are both 6-point sockets. We can also see that those are drilled on the corners, so that's going to be good for off-corner loading. This is kind of interesting. So they actually put a detent into the side of the socket. So that is what this ring is for. That is for holding that little ball bearing. So that's going to give you even more connection to whatever it is that you'll be grabbing onto. I have never seen that before. Very good idea though. So let's check out that magnet. And that does hold on to a bolt, no problem. This should be a ½ inch. Yes. Alright, that does chuck in no problem. There we go. So this is one thing, I mean, it's got a magnet on there, and that nut is in there. That is going to be difficult for me to pull that out. So I'm going to have to thread that on just a couple of threads just so that I can get it out of the holder. So I'll tell you just how good this thing is going to hold onto our fasteners. There you go. One thing I was thinking too, because this has a detent in it, if we're using nuts that are made of stainless steel or something like that, something that's going to be non-ferrous and the magnet isn't going to hold on to it as well, the detent is going to be able to do the same job. So having them both together means you can work with regular steel or even stainless steel. So overall, if you use an impact a lot, that is going to be an excellent set to have around.